So I've got my GoPro in here, and I've got my GoPro $50 mic dongle in here, which is a ridiculous price considering the 1, 2, 3, and 4 came with them built in. I've got my mic cable here, and it runs down along the bottom and pops up right there. So that's how the helmet's set up, and we will go for a ride and check out the sound quality. Alright, so here's part 2. This is going to be an actual sound quality test. We're going to take a real short ride, try and get up to speed, 50-60 miles an hour, see how it handles road noise. I already know from a little bit of testing that low speed stuff, it works great, but I was having some choppiness once the wind started kicking up. So let's see how this is going to work out. Riding the 2016 Ninja 650 Kawasaki. I really like this bike. It's an awesome commuter bike. It's a lot of fun around town. The torque's nice down and low. It's light. I average, you can see, almost 50 miles a gallon, which is a lot better than the Mustang gets. There's a lot of sand and gravel up here, so I'm going to try and be really careful. Ooh, good thing I waited. Let's catch him. I don't know why it popped into neutral. That's got me a little concerned. Alright, so this is the audio test with some wind noise. We're at 45 miles an hour. That's not too bad. We're going to go up this road and see if we can't. Alright, excellent. He's turning left. We're going to go right. We're going to go up this hill, try and hit around 60 and see if the mic adapter and my mic are up to snuff. I'm gonna let this guy go. Alright, so we are at 60 miles an hour. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have to raise my voice a good deal, so I'm hoping it comes through clearly. We'll cruise along at 60 miles an hour, and hopefully everything is copacetic. Alright, that was it. That was our little test run. I guess if he's not going to stop, I'm not going to stop. So I'm really hoping that the audio came through. Like I said, I've done a little bit of testing with the mic in different positions within my helmet. This one seems to be the best as far as wind noise interrupting my voice and causing like a crackling sound. But the only way we're really going to know is once I get back to the house here in a minute and we pull the video and see what we've got. If everything works out well, if it's at least tolerable, then I will continue to use this setup until I find a better option. Hopefully the GoPro Hero 9 comes out and does not require the dongle. It does add a bunch of extra crap you got to deal with. A lot more mass. Oh, rocks. Alrighty. So that was that. Let's see how the footage comes out. GoPro, stop recording.